This is a installation instruction video of how to install the tablet lock. We've just used a mobile phone, but whether you've got a tablet or a different device, the installation method is the same. You've got the iPlate, the instruction how to install it, you've got the cleaning materials, and you've got your cable lock that fits into the iPlate. So the first part is to install the iPlate to the device, and we use the scrubber and the alcohol swab to first remove heavy grime from this, and then by opening this alcohol swab we will clean all the residual fats. Once the area that you have cleaned is dried out, then you can take your iPlate, remove the backing non-stick, and simply just attach that to the device. Keep it down, doesn't matter angle or those sort of things, as long as it's somewhere in the middle of where you've cleaned, and then just stick it down. Keep it down for about 15 to 20 seconds and then release, and that's your installation of the iPlate. In order to install the cable lock, the default code is 000, and you need to set the code. Once the code is in the lock is in the closed position like this, which means it's fully flared open, then you can set the code from the default. So you push in the back by holding it in, change it to, and I'm going to just change it to number 1, release it. So the new code is 0001, and that will then open on that code. And you will see that when it's opened, after these two flares pinch together. Once you've set the code, it's in the unlock code, which is your code that you've set, and I've set it to 0001. And then in the open position, when these two pins are fully closed, insert it into your iPlate and then simply lock it. Change your code to whatever code that's not random. Just change it to random, which means you cannot push the unlock button anymore, and then this is fully secured to your device. To unlock your device, my code is set at 0001, so I'm going to change this back to 0001, and that will allow me to unlock my lock and to take it out if I need to remove the device or move it to somewhere else.